Hello, my name's Sheila and I am here from Thompson Leisure to show you our brand new Elddis Exclusive Edition 115. Now this is an exclusive edition for Thompson Leisure. We get this personally bespoke design just for you. Come and take a look. So over here you have your alloy wheels that come with the van. You'll see the branded Thompson Leisure Exclusive. Now this one's actually a 2-berth, so it's perfect for just wee escapes. Up above you got your awning and your awning light, and down here you have your barbecue point. Round the back you have your 2 bike rack and your reverse camera as well. Now this vehicle comes with a solar panel, an alarm, an outside shower point as well. We also design these graphics personally for you. It's completely bespoke design. Let's go take a look inside. So here we are on the internal of the motorhome. Now, as I mentioned outside, this is bespoke completely to Thompson Leisure. You won't be able to find a similar one like it. That is down to every single detail. We design the wood finish, the upholstery. Of course, we're not going to keep the plastic on it. That's up to you if you want to take it off. We design the pillows, every single element, and you'll see it's an exclusive one here as well. It's our dealer exclusive with Elddis. Now, if you come on up here to the cab, you will see your DAB radio, your aircon, your USB ports. Of course, this one is a manual. You've got your multifunctional steering wheel. This also comes with cruise control, a speed limiter. Up here is your reverse camera as well. Now, this model, we have packed it full of extras. So, of course, you have your additional sunroof. That comes bespoke with this design. You won't get it with an ordinary Elddis. We've also added Remus blinds, and they come straight across the front of the cab as well as the side windows as well. So as I mentioned, this is a 2-berth motorhome. It is 7.5 metres in length, so it's nice and short, and it's 2.2 metres in width, so you've plenty of space at the same time. It's 3.3 tonne in weight, so it's nice and light. Now with this seating area, these can be 2 singles either side or 1 large double. And of course there is a ton of storage as well. So here is your kitchen setup. So of course you have your microwave, you have your large sink, you have your under the counter fridge with plenty of space. Nice little blue light there for you in the middle of the night. You have your 3 gas hobs and your electric hot plate. And of course you have your grill and your oven as well. So of course there's a ton of storage in this motorhome, and you will also see there is your removable carpet and your standalone table as well. Now here is your bathroom setup. Now this motorhome comes with wheel heating. Of course, you know, you have your standard fly screens, your blinds. I have probably missed a ton more of benefits to this vehicle, but of course I will leave a link below so you can check it out yourself. If there's anything else you would like to see about this vehicle, please do not hesitate to get in touch. You can contact me directly by dropping a comment under the video, or you can email me at marketing@thompsonleisure.com. Additionally, you can give us a call on 028 9269 3999. And I'll see you in the next video.